Hi everyone, today we'll be working on question number 5 on LeetCode called longest palindromic substring. The idea is we just want to find the longest substring inside here that's also a palindrome. So we're in this case, BAB works, but since ABA also works, both are valid answers. Okay, so the technique I'll be using here is called expanding through the center. Whenever you see a palindrome, if we start at the center, we can keep comparing elements on the left and right, and if they match, we just keep going until they don't match, or we go out of bounds. So we'll be doing that for every single index, and yeah, let's see what happens. So we'll declare our variables here. Start will hold the beginning of our longest substring, and we'll hold the end, and the result will just be the longest substring length to that point. We're going to try every single index inside the string. And we'll declare two temporary variables. We'll call them temp start and temp end. So these two will basically be our left and right side expanders while we're expanding from the center. So the first thing that we need to notice is that the center doesn't have to just be one letter. It can actually be two layers, as in example 2, where BB is the length of the middle. So first we need to expand our center. So to do that, we can say while as temp end equals as temp end plus 1. If two adjacent characters match, then we just have to keep expanding until, to the right until it's not. Then we can now do the expansion on the left and right. So we need to double check two things. We need to double check if our left expander won't go out of bounds, our right expander won't go out of bounds, and if the left and right expanders are the same. So we can say this. So these two will double check our boundaries, and this will double check whether the left and right side are equal. And if they are, we just keep expanding. And if we have a new longest substring, we want to update it. So we can say temp end minus temp start plus 1, which represents the length of the substring, is greater than our longest substring up to that point. We can update it. And we can update our start and our end. Then at the end, all we have to do is return the 2 pointers. Sure. Okay, awesome. So let's see if this works. Oops, we need to return this. Cool, works just fine. Works just fine. Okay, so runtime wise, so let's take a look. Seeing as we're going through the entire string in one pass, I'm going to go through the entire string. So of n, where n is length of the string. So once again, this is called expanding from the center. Use it for any palindrome related question. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll have a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below. And yeah, see you guys next time.